Today we've got Ryan, our tame enduro racer, and Gary, our elder statesman, coming up to his 70th birthday early in the new year, and still getting out riding 2 to 3, sometimes 4 times a week. This track today is a little bit like a broken nose, a bit hard to pick. Hard to tell what's grippy and what's slippery, especially when you're the bike at the front. Jason, the tame enduro rider. Yeah, buddy. The grip went away both ends at the same time. Yeah, buddy! I lost grip into that last corner at both ends at the same time as well.
Man, that's slippery.
Yeah, comes and goes.
Oh, yeah.
It hooked up instead of spinning. Nearly backflipped it through the water. Yow!
How good is that?
That's the go, eh?
Oh,
There's
the first bit there, I was like, whoa!
Yeah. Down into the gully. Yeah,
Yeah.
two-wheel drifted both sides.
Yeah.
Not bad, eh?
Oh,
This is why we ride, for the joy of riding. Yeah, it's good to hang a bit of shit on your mates, have a bit of fun. Brian picks his races these days if he's going to do one. It's the days when he enjoys himself. And that's what it's about. Your racing becomes a job and you're just in it to try and win all the time and lose the joy of the sport, then what are you doing it for? Yahoo! She's alright, eh? That's our gate.
I've got no idea where we are.
Remember this morning we didn't know whether to turn left or right here and went up the hill?
Oh,
Yeah.
we backtracking.
Yeah, we're back to this
shit.
is to the camp now.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Good country in here.
Yeah, it's awesome, eh?